Tell me why I act stupid, Badger, because you motherfuckers are dumb as hell.
No, that's not what it is.
Yeah, it is. You're a fucking crackhead.
Oh, man, we used to have good times, Michael. We even took you for donuts the one night.
Oh, you're the one who was with his ass?
Yes.
Oh, he's worried about going home.
Watch your knee. I want to take just a second to talk about a concept called compassion fatigue. You know, police officers and first responders are often criticized for not having any compassion for the public, treating people like they just don't care. The reason for that is because we pour our hearts and souls and our lives into these people, trying to help them, literally saving their lives, only to watch them turn around the next day and throw it all away. It takes a lot of energy for me to, to spend with those people, to show some compassion, to show them that I care. And then it causes me a lot of pain to watch them throw it all away. As a police officer for 14 years, I've seen it more times than I can count. The pregnant woman that I took out to lunch, she is currently out on the streets, doesn't have custody of any of her children, has been arrested probably 10 or 15 times since I took her out to lunch that day. Scott Lewis, who I've scooped up off the street many times, taken him to rehab, actually went into his rehab facility and filmed a 2-hour-long video with him talking about his experience in rehab. He's back out on the street right now. Michael Zervis, we saw his interaction where I ran into him at a BP, took him in for a cup of coffee. We stood outside and talked about his 22 months of sobriety, back out on the street smoking crack. The video that we're going to be watching today is going to be Michael Zervis's relapse. People look at my videos and they say, look at the amount of compassion that this officer puts into the public. He's really out there protecting and serving and making a difference in these people's lives. As you do this for long enough, you realize that maybe you're not actually making a difference in these lives. Maybe the amount of compassion that you're putting into these people isn't paying off. That's what compassion fatigue is. And that's what causes first responders, as time goes on, to lose that compassion and just start treating people like they don't care, because it's a lot easier to go about your day that way. And at the end of the day, it probably doesn't matter anyway. So without further ado, I want you to see the results of all of the compassion, all of the work and everything that I put in to Michael Zervis, getting him clean, and kind of where that got us. 192, I'm here. The medics are safe. We can slow everybody down. What are you doing?
HXS 7837, a white man.
Go sit down.
You call him up. HXS.
Do you guys need anything?
What's that?
Do you guys need anything?
Well, he's running out in front of traffic. He took that rock, broke that window, threatening us.
Are you guys hurt or anything? I know him. I can take care of
We
him.
know him too, yeah.
Okay.
So he's making homicidal threats and everything else. So.
Okay. Do you guys need anything? You just want me to take care of him?
Oh, you take care of him. Great.
Okay.
Use the ticket to fucking...
Dude, knock it off.
HXS.
What's wrong with you?
I got threatened by a Mexican. HXS 7837.
What'd you do to him?
I didn't do shit to him. He come out fucking drinking and driving. I didn't do shit to him.
How'd this get broken? Why are they saying that you broke this?
That slipped out of my hand. HXS.
Why are you doing all this?
Will you write that down?
I'll get it in a minute. What'd you do to this guy to get threatened?
I didn't do shit. It wasn't even him. It was in a different van. I asked for 40 cents to get on the bus. Right here, not over there.
Yeah,
Right over here.
9193 setting up there.
Right here.
Pretty sure it's a power outage.
This motherfucker here wouldn't call. See their cop?
So he was
See
going to
their
hit
cop
those,
right there?
but that would
No,
be
there's
great.
another
to
cop
come
right
out.
there.
He's up there. You can't see him right there. Come on. He's right there. He's their cop.
What, like special duty?
Yep. Yeah.
No, grab a seat, Michael.
I want to tell my buddy.
Nope, Michael, you're not in charge here.
I want to
Sit down.
I want to tell my buddy.
I'm about tired of your shit.
I'm tired of you, Badger. I didn't threaten these motherfuckers. I told him he was a dick at the casino the other night. I'm not going to go goddamn fucking 24 hours in the fucking being watched here.
Put that screw down. What all do you have in your pockets?
Chain?
Where's all your stuff?
Right there. 2 bags.
Okay.
touch your truck, man. I didn't, huh? You was a dick at the casino, big boy.
It doesn't matter if he was a dick. You're a dick all the time.
You know how
He got himself clean.
Yeah, he's like 20 miles.
Yeah, and then now he's back out here. He's doing the same stuff.
Your motherfucker was fucking me up the other night.
Well, they have a history with you. They don't like you because when you're acting like this, it does matter. We respond to people based on our history with them, right? Based on what we know.
You on crack?
I deal with you the way you are. I deal with you the way you deserve it.
BP. Did you get your life threatened by a Mexican, almost get ran over?
Every day.
Just now. You're fucking lying, Badger.
Where's he at?
HXS, they're long gone, man.
Okay.
Run the plate. HXS 7837.
Comes back to a cleaning company.
Huh?
Comes back to a cleaning company.
Well, it's a gray fucking van or a white van.
Okay.
Gray or white, right?
Okay.
You already ran it?
Yeah. Radio did.
What, it didn't say nothing on the side?
A lot of these Mexicans use, they register their vehicles under their business instead of their name. So it doesn't tell us who it is.
I'm not lying.
Neither am I.
Huh?
You get a hold of Coda, find out if they want anything done with this.
Okay.
Yeah, right there's some fucking
What
guns.
are you busting the window for?
It slipped out of my hand. This motherfucker lied. Said I threw it. You think I'm all cracked out? I told you, man. I told you, just like you said when I was up here. And I said,
Okay, I think I'll be driving by that before I get to the 8A. Also,
you know, man.
I know last week they had a bunch of runs on you too, and you said you're just going to go right back over to Wedgwood and smoke some more crack. That's what you've been doing. That's why you're acting crazy.
thank you.
I didn't tell you that.
I know, but I know these things.
You didn't know it. You didn't know it down at BP that day.
You weren't acting like this that day.
What am I acting like, man? I'm talking to you.
You're throwing rocks, you're jumping down the street, saying people are threatening you.
I tried to flag them. Dude, they did threaten me.
Yeah, but what did you do to them?
They were driving drunk, dude. I was talking to the
none
other
of their
man.
business. That's none of your business.
I was talking to the other
It's not
man,
your
and
job
he
to.
started-
It's not your job to stop people from driving around.
Man, I was talking to the other van, and this dude started talking shit to me.
And you can let it go. You would have if you were sober.
I am sober, man.
No, you're not.
I ain't smoked crack in 8 hours, man.
What's up, man?
We gonna get him off the street?
Yeah, we're working on it.
You want to jail?
Calling Coda about this bus stop.
The fuck you doing? You're not with Franklin.
What's your name?
Don't worry about it. They all know it. You'll know it soon enough.
That's all I'm here to learn it.
They can tell you,
It's
man.
Michael Zervis. One of your guys just went and got his info.
Come on, Badger. Let's go to jail or something so I can get dinner. What we gonna do, man?
Hang tight.
My fucking shirt is off because of goddamn somebody fucking left antifreeze or something in that goddamn jug I picked up and flung all over me. Gotta put a different shirt on. Press charges.
All right, go and stand up. Hands behind your back. Can I use yours by chance?
Yeah, absolutely. You getting in trouble in Grove City?
I got more.
Yeah.
Man, how can that have been? I told him. Okay, it was there, then it wasn't, then it was there again.
In Grove City? What was it?
There.
Who were they for?
April 6th, I missed court.
All right.
We need to try to
It was there, then it wasn't, then it back again.
Yeah.
Why, I missed another court date?
on our end.
Yeah, this is
your
another
end,
warrant, yeah.
somewhere. It's not suited to be out here.
I know. I'll tell you about a conversation I had with a social worker about another one the other day. It'll blow your mind.
Another one. Not me.
I have you 100 when I will have you both cleared.
Going in this road.
We're gonna go
Can
to
I
the
get
one
my
that says-
bags?
We'll get them.
You gonna get them?
Second time.
Go to the one that says 9192.
3 to 104.
You don't want, we're not going in yours.
Nope, you're not going with me.
You're a fucking bitch.
104, if you could start first.
I'm gonna go home.
Violent. Anybody else that wants
Oh,
to
yeah,
back them
you
up.
are.
Also,
I'm having chest pains. Let's go back to the medic.
anybody who is going to be a 16B violent.
You gonna do
They
like
won't
your
run on
birthday
you.
the other night?
Floral Circle
Well, then let's
South,
get down there
apartment B2.
somewhere where 12 is.
Caller says she needs someone to
Let me
come get
throw on
her
some
4 and her
gloves.
5-year-old.
Let's get down there where 12
She's afraid
is.
she's going to hurt them. It's
Here, you
just
gonna find
the 3
something in
of
my
them
left
there, no weapon. She just keeps saying, I can't do it anymore, and crying.
You hear me?
Caller does say that she has mental health problems, but they aren't
Don't get
listening to
cut.
her. She hasn't done anything to hurt them or herself yet, then disconnected.
Goddamn, all these crackhead buddies in that bitch back here. And that one dude that walked by, I was trying to say hi to. Left pocket badger. I took everything out of that one, didn't I? Except paper.
You had a box cutter on you.
Oh, shit. That's because I was going to sell it.
You have shorts
Goddamn.
underneath or just
No,
underwear?
There's a stem in my left pocket. It's got a fucking, it's a slab. Fucking broke. Yeah, how could I have a warrant and not have a warrant and then have a warrant again?
They're all out of 2022, so I don't know. They're pretty fresh.
Yeah, April 6th, I missed the court date.
Oh, well.
Get it? The box cutter.
Hey, excuse me. Can I talk to you?
Oh, he wants to talk
Oh,
shit.
wait, just a moment.
Now this dude was threatening me, man.
Is he the manager?
Man, yeah, he was threatening me the other day, a week ago.
All right. Well, so we're not.
Man,
So, Michael, we're not doing anything about it. But I think what he's going to ask is that you don't go back to the property.
that's fine.
So that's.
So all these guys
Since
have to
he's the
do.
manager, he's going to say that to you.
So all these guys have to, right? Over here at the manor.
Oh, no, this happened.
Over here at the manor.
Get the AC
This
on
motherfucker
first.
comes out threatening me all the time.
Hit me in the shin with a
Fucking
rock.
threatening me and putting his hands on me 2 weeks ago.
Get the AC on for you, okay? So he just wants to make it. He's the manager.
He's talking about a 27.
He's a bitch, man. He's a little punk. He was threatening me.
Yeah.
First thing he said,
Man, you guys are fucked up, man.
He's throwing trash around everywhere.
Fucked up, man. Taking me. That fucking pig over there fucking didn't do shit.
I can't do. I'll slit your motherfucking throat.
You
I
get
was
in
like,
this
all right.
bitch.
I said, stay off my parking lot. And then he started throwing trash in it, threw a rock at me, and I got
Man, quit lying, you son of a bitch.
Hey, Michael, is there somewhere I can leave your stuff? Like, do you have a family member
Stick it up your
nearby?
ass. I ain't got no goddamn
Do
family.
you have a friend you want me to leave your stuff with?
Crackhead friend?
I'm just asking.
No.
I'm gonna have to take it to the property room, okay?
Give a fuck.
Okay.
Tell me why I act stupid, Badger, because you motherfuckers are dumb as hell.
No, that's not what it is.
Yeah, it is. You're a fucking crackhead.
Oh, man, we used to have good times, Michael. We even took you for donuts the one night.
Oh, you're the one who was with his ass?
Yes.
Oh, he worried about going home.
Watch your knee.